Hey guys, it's Jess with Soul Be Home. This week I have a curio cabinet that mounts on the wall, and I have a couple mess ups and it ended up still working out great. So that is just your inspiration to keep on going. This was an older piece. It was a thrift store find. It needed a bath of hot water and vinegar and a knockover by the wind. Oops. It really just needed a coat of shellac. It just had that old musty smell even after cleaning it. And that generally helps block that smell. Nobody wants that in their house. The painting portion for this piece is actually pretty simple. I just wanted a coat of black that was dry brushed on, and I'm just barely putting any on my brush and just giving it a little coat of black. Since this is more of a rustic piece, I didn't need to do another coat of shellac or sand it or anything, and that works for what I'm doing for this project. This is what I always use when I have to replace a backing in a TV cabinet. It's pretty easy to work with. Now I'm going to do the decoupage portion for the backing. It needed a black base coat before doing the actual decoupage portion. I did this one with Mod Podge, and I didn't do the drying and ironing method, which I really should have done. It ended up being kind of hard to work with and a little thick, so I had a couple mess ups and ended up giving myself some repair work to do, which is never ideal. However, it does work for this particular project. But going forward, I would probably use the iron-on method, and I'll make some more videos. I've still been experimenting with my favorite method with these tissue papers. Next, I'm just adding some colors to blend around the edges. I'm using the same black that I did earlier, called Licorice. And then I'm taking Road Trip and Ancient Ember. And I'm just kind of doing a little stipple of the color. And then I'm taking a clean brush and I'm going to dab those two into each other. And the black is still wet too, so it's giving this like gorgeous gray hue that kind of matches the paper, but still looks a little bit like a frame. It'll blend in good into the background of my curio. Found this awesome rechargeable light, and it's going to work perfect in this piece, and that way I don't have a cord sticking out the back of it. My husband attached that so fast I didn't have time to film it. I also added some mounting hardware that is definitely going to be a safer choice than what was on there already. For the light, I was actually going to hang it on this sawtooth hanger with the little hook portion, and then I realized it was magnetic, and that worked out just perfect for this piece. I love my color options. I don't know which one I like best. Keep going between the blue and the orangey tone, but it's okay. I can change my mind as many times as I want with this remote. This piece was already unique, but now it's especially just one of a kind. I love the uniqueness you can get with decoupage papers. Thanks for staying with me. I hope you enjoyed watching this upcycle. Have an awesome week, and please like and subscribe.